Hey everybody, how's it going? What is up? It is me, Twister. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing excellent. Today is one of those windy, cool days, which we're supposed to be in spring, yet we're having one of these days, but that's not what I wanted to talk about, though. Maybe going outside later, doing a little filming. I want to talk about the Sony Hybrid, which is DVD610, and here it is. This is my carry-around camera for filming stuff. It has a regular view lens as well as a LCD. It uses Memory Stick Pro. It can also do mini DVDs, which I don't like because you can only record 30-minute. Well, let's put it this way. On the normal way you record this, you can record 30 minutes. If you put it on long play, you get an hour. If you put it on the high quality, you probably get 10 minutes. I don't know. I've never tested it out. I just recently started using the highest setting this camera can do, which is standard def, was what I was using because I don't like low. Now I'm using high quality, which is like 6 megabytes a second or something like that. It has a quick on, an easy mode, which I never use, contrast mode. It has this little thing to close the lens. Down here is where you plug it in for a TV or whatever. Right there's where you can plug it up to your computer. Yes, it uses USB. It does. You can turn on the display and turn off the display. And I was recording something as I was speaking. I guess I accidentally hit the record button. Whoops. Okay. There we go. Let's put it back on to that. Close the lens. Then this little switch you can move once like that, and now it's in picture mode where you can take all kinds of pictures at, I think, 9 megabytes a minute or a second. Then you go straight through camcorder mode right there. It has a Adobe digital stereo on top. Right here is where you can plug it in to charge it. I'll go ahead and turn it off. Right here, right up there is where your night shot is. So it does have night vision. Right here is where you can open and close the DVD part, which, like I said, I don't use because I don't like it. I've become a big fan of either hard drives, flash memory, or Memory Stick Pro, just because of the capacity. The DVDs to me are like VHS-C, I believe is what it was. I had a camera that used, and they do, I think, like 30 minutes of recording on VHS-Cs, and then you can put it on play and get an hour, just like with the DVD on it. And then when you put it, well, the old camera I had that did VHS-C didn't have high quality, so I wouldn't know what that is. I've never used it on this, so I don't know what the quality of that is. It has screws around the lens where I guess you can put in like different filters and whatever you want. And when you're taking pictures, I don't know if you can see that, but there's your photo button right there, and your record button. And so when you see me making videos in my car, over at my parents' house, or wherever, this is what I'm using. I keep my other camera at the apartment for, well, I keep it at the apartment for the better videos. And I'm using my Zoom H4n to record the sound because I don't like what the sound sounds like coming off of the actual thing. I forget what it's called or something, but I do that when I do this. But I also do some audio sweetening when I do use this, because I also do audio sweetening when I'm using the Zoom H4n. So let me switch over and show you what the other camera looks like. Okay, so now I switched over to the camera you were looking at so that I can show you this. This is the Sony, let's see, HDR XR 500, and it has our hard drive in it, and the 120 gigabyte hard drive in it does 50 hours of recording at 5 megabytes per second, which is the lowest this thing can do. And this thing says it does full HD at 1080, and it says it does 1920 by 1080 HD recording. It's a AVC HD camera, which of course it has the HD on the side. No, I've never took the stickers off of it. It says it's 10 times more steady, clear image, even in low light. I don't know, I don't usually use this thing in the dark. It's got a G lens on it, whatever that really means. It's X more R. It has an optical steady shot. I like this camera because it has a hot shoe on it. Cold shoe, depending on how you want to look at it. It does surround sound because it can do left, front, right, rear. The GPS in this, I don't even know why they put GPS in it. This thing can also do photos. I like this camera because I can plug in headphones and an external recording device like a lanyard or the Zoom H4n. Up here, I can in like I do the other camera with the Sony specified thing. I can do. I think that's USB, which is you normally hook it up to my computer, but it also does mini HDMI. The other thing I like about this camera is that if I can make this knob become any manual thing I want it to become. So that's pretty nice. I can activate it by pulling this out, and it turns on the camera. Or I can flip out the LCD, which I'm not going to do because it will turn it on. It has the handy dandy remote that comes with it. Lens on nitrous clothes when it stripped off. It has a light for photos and whatever. Inside here, I'm pretty sure it has the what do you call it? The night vision. Haven't got to use that yet. It has a mode button on the back, which allows you to switch between camera mode and record mode. It does 12 megapixel still images. If the video looks any different, it's because it's set to HQFH. I normally had it on regular high quality. Because I never used the other two, which there's a standard play and long play on here, as well as a high quality one, and that was the one I was using, but then decided to go ahead and switch it over to the full high def. and
I stick with Sony.
I stick with Sony because I mean I'm sticking with Sony because these batteries are interchangeable with every camera I have currently. Well, sort of. There's a couple exceptions to the rules. I have an DSL camera, or whatever you call digital cameras.
That's made by Canon.
So I'm not
fully stuck on Sony.
I like Canon for cameras, and find that also good for recording video, which my parents are currently using to take pictures with, which, well, my parents are borrowing to take pictures with, and
So that's kind of
So
cool.
And this, if I'm going to go to a place where I know that it's going to be inside, or it won't get bumped around and everything.
Even though
this thing has a protection on it where it's supposed to protect the hard drive from drops and
bumps and everything.
You see that this camera, other than a few dings, looks for the most part pretty much new.
And that's because I don't take it outside much.
It pretty much stays on a tripod or something where it can't be hurt too badly. I hate to say it, but this is my baby. And
Since
this thing cost me like, I think it was like $1,000 brand new. This camera doesn't go outside very much. So